Bobcat's R-Series loaders don't just look sharp. We've made tons of improvements in design as well as functionality to enable us to offer you, the operator, a premier machine. Today, we're going to focus on the powerhouse of the R-Series loaders, the R-Series engine. Bobcat's R-Series engine was in design for over 5 years, and during that time we made sure to listen to customer needs, cross our T's, and dot our I's to ensure that this engine would offer an increase in performance as well as workability. Part for part, you will find the Bobcat R-Series engine to be almost a complete redesign. The R-Series engine is Bobcat's first inline direct drive offering. Beyond taking away the need for drive belts, this design offers greater torque over a wider range of RPMs. We moved the fuel tank and added a Bosch fuel delivery system to increase efficiency. We also added a dedicated lift pump to improve performance on slopes. I'd like to point out the much larger fuel filter, extending your service intervals. Another noteworthy improvement is the cooling system. A larger fan moves more air with less effort. The inline design of the engine allows for an air bath on both sides, increasing cooling capability. When you put that with the larger radiator and larger oil cooler, this machine runs stronger, cooler, for longer. Bobcat is proud to be in line with EPA requirements while offering a non-DPF Tier 4 solution. The R-Series engine is truly the heart of these rugged machines. Increased power, efficiency, and serviceability, all with no diesel particulate filter. It may sound too good to be true, but please stop into one of our 6 convenient locations to check out this engine for yourself. I'm Abraham with Crownstone Equipment. Thanks for watching.